Learn how to quickly change the style of cursor you use on a laptop or computer that function with Windows 11 operating system. Let's just get right into it. First is to click on the Start menu. All right. Then you will see settings here. Click on settings. If you can't find your own settings here on this start page, click here and then type settings. Okay. It will show up here. Click on it for it to open. As you are landed on the settings page, the next option is to click on accessibility. On this accessibility page, you will see a lot of options. All right. And one of them here is mouse pointer and touch. All right. It talks about mouse pointer color size. All right. So click on it. Our interest here is on changing the style. Look at the one I'm using right now. It's highlighted. But I want to change it to different one. So if this is what you want to have, you click on that. Okay. And it is selected. You can see if I minimize now, you will see as I'm going, there is something attached to this mouse. You can see that. So it has changed.